From the outside, this Northeast Philadelphia home seems pretty quiet, but that all changes when you step inside. That's because the Flyers' wives have teamed up with Michael's Way to renovate the Sox house on Sterling Street. 17-year-old Christopher Sox is currently undergoing chemotherapy and radiation treatments for a rare form of throat cancer. The Flyers' wives originally came to redo Christopher's bedroom, but decided to give the whole home a fresh look so that the Sox family would feel comfortable during this trying time. Christopher even chipped in with a little design advice.
I told him to surprise me.
We've asked Chris what he likes, and I know he's really interested in cars, right? So they're doing a lot of trying to make it appropriate for a 17-year-old. Just make it comfortable for him and his family, and just make it feel more like home for them.
We're trying to find lots of big pieces because they have a big family that lives here, so we're trying to find enough seating area because we're taking on the living room. But we also want to mix in some color, and I love decor, so I want to mix in some style, some fun designs.
This idea actually came north from Raleigh when head coach Peter Laviolette and his assistant Kevin McCarthy took over the Flyers' coaching duties.
The founder was a good friend of mine, and she got the concept of doing themed bedrooms for chronically ill children. And in order to give them a place, because they were at home so much, in order to give them a place to be and dream and hope for the future. And loved the concept so much that when I came here, I said, I would really like to see this happen here.
The work the wives have done in the Sox home is nothing short of remarkable.
I wasn't expecting this, that.
Just wait.
Just wait.
But for Christopher's mom, Molika, it does not erase the memory of the most difficult day of her life, finding out her son was diagnosed with cancer.
Connect on, call on oncology, special oncology, and we don't know what that means. And then until they spit it out, say he have cancer, it break our heart that day because we never respect that.
While the journey remains an arduous one for the Sox family, Molika appreciates the help the Flyers' wives have provided along the way.
I never think that they come to do all this stuff for me. And I'm grateful and, thank you them all the time that they come to, do all this that I attend that cannot do all this stuff by myself. So, and when they come, I tell everybody I win the jackpot.
They're so grateful, and I think it just makes us proud that we're able to help out. And we can't understand what they're going through, but we're trying as best that we can, and we just want to make sure that Chris has a nice place to be and for his family to have a nice place to be.
I feel I'm emotionally attached with him, and it's just a lot of fun to do something good for him and his wonderful mom, and who's always positive, and it's just great.
It is probably the most rewarding thing in 35 years in hockey that I've done.
It's inspiring.
Christopher says he is still amazed that people who were strangers to him not so long ago have taken this level of interest in his story. It also leads him to send along this message to others who are in need.
Don't give up.